I'm Brenda from the Avant Garden Shop. Welcome to another episode of The Garden Gate. We were at the gift show recently in Toronto and found this artist, this company, and just fell in love with these little puzzles as soon as we saw them. They're so colorful and they're wooden puzzles. They're just small, but they actually take a little bit of time to make. The works of art are done by Canadian artists, but then there's somebody else that actually designs the puzzles. So each puzzle is cut a little differently than the next. So it makes it a little bit extra challenging. The art, as I mentioned, is all Canadian artists. We have 8 different designs here, but they have a bunch of different designs. And we have a little sample here that you can try out if you're in the shop and you want to give it a try. Really beautiful. The artists are all, as I mentioned, Canadian, and there's a variety of different artists. Like this one artist, she does all of these wildlife style pieces with the, I think she does the blue jay, the hummingbird, and the owl. And then different artists do the bear and the wolf. So there's a really nice variety of pieces. They're from Calgary, Alberta. It's really high quality material that they use to make the puzzle. And it's just a nice little puzzle. I did this one myself probably in about an hour between customers. And it's one of the easier. So they have a few different levels that they do them at. So this was a level 1 out of a level 5. So really beautiful puzzles. Hope you'll come in and have a look at them and give them a try. They're really fun to do. See you next time.
The Garden Gate is brought to you by the Avant Garden Shop, your destination for garden accessories and backyard birding supplies. Sherbrooke Street, downtown Peterborough.